So that 45 decibels was somebody coughing in a completely different flat to where I live. I don't even know if it was upstairs or downstairs, but yeah, 45 decibels, somebody coughing through the walls. So I thought I'd just come in here randomly, and as soon as I did, and over that way I can very clearly hear their television. It was like a truck horn going off. Well, I guess it's kind of irrelevant when you've got a child running around like this instead. So that 162, I felt that in my feet. That literally just vibrated like the whole flat. Boom. There we go, 70.6. And yeah, don't really want to film me ugly face in the mirror, but there we go. So you might be able to hear the TV now, it's gone a bit quieter with the person banging. So that's actually registering at 50 decibels and the noise is over here somewhere. So it's registering 50 decibels, and I think it was in this room. Yet the decibel reader, let's zoom out because we don't know what we're doing with this camera that we've used 500 times already. Basically the decibel receiver was up here on the corner of that mirror. I've only got 2 minutes of footage left, so I'm going to end the video soon. So you can see like 43 there. That's basically just them dropping something on their floor. They're not slamming that down. It's literally like a kid's toy or something dropping on a hard floor. And that's jumping from 30 to 43 decibels. But you get some idea of what they're actually doing, because you can hear things that clearly. So yeah, we're running out of memory cards, so if we just show you the date officially and leave it at that, it could be a good example of what Phoenix says everyday living noise apparently. So it's the 1915, 29th of September. There we go.